Hi, my pupils. I'm Miss Iman Said from Learn Teacher Iman channel. Today, the revised it will be for grade 2 on Connect Plus, team 2, unit 4, team 2, unit 4. But before I will go to revise unit 4 today, I would like to say don't forget to share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our revise today. Today we will make a quick revise on unit 4 because I would like to remind you what we took during the academic year in this unit. After I finish the revise, I will start the academic the lesson in the academic year by studying from books behind. Giving you from this booklets that I explained from it. Okay, but after we finish, after we ending after we are ending from our revise. Okay, let's go to our unit today. Our unit today is unit 4. This theme called the world around me. We all know that this unit talk about what about that. Can you guess with me? With planets. We took planets on what on Discover. Okay, I think we took it in Discover. Here we have some new vocab. I would like to know to learn with me. We have sky, 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 cloud, sky, cloud, sky, cloud, star, sun, star, sun, moon, amazing, moon, amazing, plane, constellation, plane, constellation, galaxy, shadow, galaxy, shadow. The galaxy is a planet, is bright, is a bright, is a bright, okay, bright bright in the night, okay. Hot, cold, rainy, sunny, cloudy, windy. I will repeat and repeat after me. Sky, cloud, sky, cloud, star, sun, moon, amazing, planet, constellation, galaxy, shadow, hot, cold, rainy, sunny, cloudy, windy. Let's go to continue the vocab. Vapor, this is called vapor, foggy, vapor and foggy, snowy and steam, circle, square, triangle, solid, rectangle, straight line. All of us know straight line from the mathematics. Axis, pin, rays, nighttime, daytime, light bulb, torch, orbits. Here we have solar system. Let's know together. Let's read together. We have Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. I will repeat and repeat after me. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Jupiter, Jupiter and Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. This is the names of the planets. Have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, let's go to another item here. Here we have ordinal numbers. This is called ordinal number. We say first, second, third, fourth, written like this in numbers and in letters. First, second, third, fourth. Like when you say when you talk about months, January is the first month. December is the 12th month. Okay, is the 12th month. We can say January is the first month, or we can say October is the 10th month. Okay, let's read the number together. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. I will repeat again. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th. Let's go. This is this called the oral work. Let's read the text together. Hannah, hi Hani. What are you looking for? Here we have Hannah. Hannah asked him. Comes to Hani and seeing him doing something. So he is saying to him, hi Hani. He is first grading grading Hani. Grading Hani. Actually, she grading Hani. She's grading Hani first of all. Hi Hani. What are you looking for? Hani. Hi Hannah, I'm looking for some materials. Why some materials to make a solar system? Okay, all of us know this from science when we do in Discover as activity, and in later when we took it in science we do this activity. Okay, Hannah, wow, that's amazing. Hani, I have to make a model of the solar system with the sun and planet and the planet. Hannah, how about small balls? They are represent the planet. So they use small balls to represent what? To represent the planet and the sun. Hani, I'm looking for some foam balls, but I can't find any in our garage. Hannah, I might have some books left over from my science project last year. Hanny, that would be great. Thank you, Hannah, for helping me. Hannah, you are welcome here. Here is the comparative adjective. I have a slide about this lesson. I would like to learn me from the slide from this PowerPoint slide. Comparative of adjectives. Here we have the comparative and superlative here. Okay, what can we know the comparative and superlative? The comparative form is known by adding er plus then to the adjective. Okay, this is the comparative form. This is the adjective. I would like to know this is for adjective of one syllable. We have two kinds of adjectives. Adjective one syllable and adjective more than one syllable. Adjective one syllable like what? Strong, like tall, like old, like short, like young. All these called adjectives one syllable. Can you say guess with me the adjective more than one syllable like beautiful, successful, comfortable, beautiful, comfortable, dangerous, dangerous. All these are called the adjective with more than one sound. Okay. Yeah, you can say this Imam, when we do with the comparative or superlative, there are the same? No. Why? Because in the short adjectives or adjectives one syllable, we adding er only to the adjective by a and adding z. In the two syllables, we do what? We put more adjective than. When we make a comparative in adjectives of two syllables, like what? Like we say, more successful than, more beautiful than, more dangerous than. Okay, but we can say shorter than or longer than. Okay, this is the adjective of one syllable. There's a difference between both. The formula of the superlative is the is there plus est as the same in the one syllable and in the two syllables. In the one syllable, we say there plus adding est to the adjective. Let's say the longest, the shortest, the youngest. Okay, this is called the adjective one syllable. When we talk about more than one syllable in the superlative form, we do what? The most and put the adjective and put the long adjective at the end, like the most beautiful, the most careful, the most dangerous. Okay, so here there plus the most plus the adjective. Okay, let's go to another one here. David is stronger than Bill. So here I compare David by Bill. I compare him to versus adding er and then. Here we have David is the strongest one. So I compare David by the most, or their police. So by his police. Okay. So David by his police. Okay. No one is stronger than what than David. David is the strongest one in our case. Here we have David is stronger than another one, which is called what? David. Let's go to another item here. We have here adjectives is more than one thing, like this: intelligent, dangerous, comfortable, beautiful, careful, and so on. Note the comparative we use more, I explained in the last slide. Comparative we use comparative of what? Of more than one thing, like this: more adjective than. In superlative we use the most plus adjective, like this. You say Noah is more beautiful than her sister. So I compare Mona by her sister. So here we have I use more adjective than, more beautiful than. Here we say Noah is the most beautiful girl. So no one is more beautiful than Mona. Okay. So here it will be the most beautiful girl. Let's go to another one. Here we have some exceptions, which called like we know in past simple we say irregular verbs. Here we have irregular adjectives or exceptions that we use in this form of in this formula of adjectives. Like we say many, more than, the most. Much, more than, the most means special adjectives. Can't use like the others. Okay, we have little, less than, the less. Good, better than, the best. Bad, worse than, the worst. Far, further than, the fast. Okay, let's go to our lesson. I explained in last slide, but I will explain here in quick in quick. I explained here. I revised for I revise on in quick, like a quick revise on. Here we use the comparative adjectives to compare between two people or things or animals. Let's go to continue. Form we use than after the comparative form of the adjective, like this. We say subject plus verb plus adjective plus er then. Like you say, Ahmad is taller than Ali. Jupiter is bigger than Mars. Rule one. We have here there are regular adjectives. We usually use er like this: younger, shorter, colder, smaller. We have rule two here. We have a syllable adjective ending with e, like this: nicer, closer, wiser, simpler. Let's go to another one. Rule three. Rule three. If we have at the end of the adjective consonant letter like this, we have like big, bigger, hot, hotter, thin, thinner, wetter. Okay, here is the vowel before the last letter. Okay, so what we do when we have a vowel before the last letter, what we do, we make the last letter double, like this: thinner, wetter, bigger, and hotter. Okay. Rule 4. Let's go to rule 4 to continue this lesson. Here we have, if we have at the end of the adjective y, like this, what can we do? We know when we make past simple form, we make y and adding ied. In the plural, we adding ies. Here we adding what? We adding ie, but we put r at the end of the word. Okay, like of the adjective, like this: happier, easier, prettier, crazier. Okay, rule 5 here. There are some irregular adjectives like this, as we told you in the last slide. Okay, good, better, bad, worse, farther than, or further, little less, little less. Examples. Let's study these examples to know more about this lesson. Cakes are faster than mice. My room is bigger than my sister's room. So here we have what we compare two persons or two animals, two persons or two animals with each other. Let's say cats are faster than mice. My room is bigger than my sister's room. English is easier than science. I'm younger than my brother. Apples are bigger than grapes. Okay? Here we have superlative and adjectives. We use a superlative adjective to compare a group of people, animals, or things. Compare one people or one thing and one animal by more, okay, by more than one. Like we say, we use they before the superlative form like this: subject plus verb plus the adjective est like this. We have English is the easiest subject. My room is the biggest room in the house. Here we have rule one as we took it in comparative. Here we have some rules we must follow when we do the superlative form. If there are regular adjectives, we usually adding est like this: smallest, shortest, the tallest, oldest. We have the before adding est like this: the tallest, the oldest, the smallest, the shortest. Rule two. Here we have one syllable adjectives, like we say, the wisest, the nicest, the simplest, the closest. Okay. Rule three. If we have at the end of the adjective a constant like this, as we took in this, we took it in the comparative, make the last letter double and adding er to the adjectives. Here we can't adding er, adding what? Adding est, because here the form here is of adjective is in superlative form, not in the comparative form. In comparative form, we're adding er and then here we add there and adding est to the adjective like this: the biggest, the thinnest, the wettest, the hottest. Rule four. If we have at the end of the adjective y like this, we say we adding iest, okay, like this: the easiest, the prettiest, the happiest, the busiest. We have some irregular verbs here. We use it in superlative form: good, better, and we have here better than the best, worse than the worst, farther than the farthest, or the farthest, like this. Farther written with two ways: farthest or farthest. Those are correct. This the list. Okay. Here we have that is the best day of my life. So I see this day is the most day in my life and is the most happiest is the happiest day of my life. So I expressing this day is a nice day. Okay, that is the best day of my life. I think art is the subject. The cheetah is the fastest animal in the world. Cheetah is a kind of animal, like tiger, things like tiger and lion and so on. Okay, the same like this types of this. Can and can. We use can to do. Can just me. When we use can to ask to we use can for expressing what expressing possibility or ability. We use can for expressing. I told you this in connect last video. If you came to the last video, you can see what we told about can. We use can to ask about to talk about the ability or possibility. Let's go to learn more about this rule. Here we have four subject plus can plus verb. Let's go. I can read the book, so I have an ability to read book. Here I can swim. I have an ability to swim. They can speak English. I have an ability to speak English. She can ride the bike. She has an ability to ride the bike. Here he is not he isn't has an ability to do something. Here is the can't here is the negative of can. Can is ability or possibility. Here you can use the negative of this model. Okay, by adding by saying what inability of doing something. Like say what I can't speak Japanese, so I don't know Japanese, so I can't speak it. Okay, I can't play the guitar. I can't. I can play piano, but guitar is difficult for me. I can't play. Okay, I don't have an ability. I don't have an ability to do this. To play this musical instrument. I can't do the back flip. For pictures, we can. We have, as we told before, that when we make when we I told you in the in make in rearrange. I told you that the statement form is subject, verb, object. When we want to make a question, we invert the verb instead of subject. Like this, we say subject. Here we have can plus subject plus verb. We have to say, can you jump? The answer it will be yes I can or no I can. Can he see? Yes, he can or no, he can. Let's go to answer the question below. Wow, that's amazing. So here I am surprised. So I say, wow, that's amazing. Space is very big. Which one is very big here? The planets are very big. Look, the Earth is blue and what? Blue and uh, blue and blue and brown. We have Jupiter. Jupiter is gray and green. I think Jupiter is what. Before I answer, I would like to make sure if it's right or wrong. Jupiter. Jupiter we have here Jupiter is gray. Here is Jupiter is brown. The Earth is green and blue. It's green and blue. We have green and blue. Okay, so here we have Jupiter is brown. Here we have um, here we have Jupiter is here brown, brown and gray. The Earth is blue and what and green, blue and green. Let's go to the green. The Earth is green why? Because we have cultivated lands. Okay, green is we have blue and green because blue expressing what in the Earth expressing the sea, but the green expressing what in the Earth expressing cultivated land. Okay, here we have brown and gray. Let's go to answer the question the next picture. Here we have as we told before, as we write before the rule that I will write every video. We have subject plus verb plus object. This is called the statement form. When we make a question, we invert the verb instead of subject. Let's answer the question applying this rule. Here we have where is the subject here? Uranus. So I start with Uranus. Uranus. I would like to say you must know how with the sentence how the what the sentence to know how to stop the sentence to answer this question. Sometimes can underline the subject and others not. Okay, so we must know the parts of the sentence to answer this question in right to answer this question correctly. Okay. Here we have Uranus is what is smaller than Saturn. Is smaller than so Uranus is smaller than Saturn. Another one, bigger Earth bounce if that. So it will be Earth. So we will start with Earth. Earth here is a subject. Earth. Where is the verb here is bigger than is bigger than what is bigger than not is bigger than not. الفيديو جيم. The first step at the end of the session. Let's go to answer the next question. Here we have rewrite the adjectives. When we say redoing something, it means we do it again. Okay. Here we have learns space Zane. So here we have Zane as we learned during the lesson. What we can use when we have Zane. What can I do here to the adjective? I'm adding er to the adjective like this, and here we have a vowel. So I double the last letter and adding er to the adjective like this. It will be bigger than. Venus is bigger than. Venus is what is hotter than. It's hotter than planet. It's hotter. It's the hottest. No, 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 no. I don't see the okay. Okay. So we have here a mistake. Here we have there. So there, I put what? I put hot. I put hot in the superlative form like this. The hottest. To be the hottest. So when we see is, you must put the adjective, adding the est to the adjective like this. The coldest. Here we have the coldest. Coldest planet. Neptune is the coldest planet. Okay, I didn't like this. Okay, another one. Mars is smaller than. Smaller than. Mars is smaller than. Mars is smaller than. But why we put ER? We put ER because we have than here. Let's go to another question. Change the sentence to the negative and question form. Like we say, here we have, I answer two of them and I will leave the rest to do it as on. Okay. Here we have, we do this form of the sentence to another to other form, which is question in question form and in negative form. What can I do? So I will see you how to do it. Okay. Here we have, I will do in the negative form. The first, it will be I can. Here, I can play football. So I would like to say that I don't have an ability to do this action. I like that. So the answer would be I can't play football. So I can't play football. See? I can't play football because I'm tired or I'm I don't or I don't know how to play it, anything. Okay, so I can't play football. Okay, but I'm playing tennis or I'm playing I can swim I can swim or I can play tennis or I can do any sport. Okay, what can I do in the question form? In the question form, we do what? We make an inverse. We inverse the verb in instant of subject like this. Can I play? Can you play football? Okay, here is can you play? Can you play football? It will be can you play football? So I asked him about the playing football. Can you play football? The answer would be yes, I can or no, I can. Okay. Can you play football? And I put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Here we have they can watch TV. So the answer would be they can watch TV. They can't watch TV. In the question form, I see you how to do it. Okay, I answer two of them, and I will leave the rest to do it as on. It will be they can watch TV. They can watch TV. They can't watch TV. When we do it in the question form, how I do it in the question form, it would be I invert the verb instead of what, as we talked before, instead of subject. Like this: Can they watch TV? They can they watch TV? Can they watch TV? Can they watch TV? Watch. Can they watch TV? And I put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Can they watch TV? Can they watch TV? And I put the question mark at the end of the sentence. And I put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay? This is as we talked before. When we make a question, don't forget the question mark. It's important to do so. Okay? Because if you forget the question mark when you do the question form, it will be minus half mark direct. Okay? Let's go to another one. Here we have a matching. Let's do it with each other. Here we have raise. Which one here is raise? Which one is raise here? Raise. Raise. This one is raise. This one raise. Raise. So I will put the end here. Shadow. Straight line. Toes here. Toes. Daytime. This is daytime. This is daytime. Daytime. The raise it will be this one. The raise it will be number one by this one. Okay. Let's go to another one. Here we finished unit 4. Today we finished unit 4. Next class I will revise the unit 5. Here today I finished unit 4. Next class I will start unit 5. Thanks a lot until we meet again. Goodbye.